Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I want to show something interesting. It's a music player called the PixelPlay. And it's really impressive for several reasons. And no, it's not really stock from Google. It is created by this guy, the Ovilardo, and apparently it's a PixelPlay music player. So, why is this thing impressive? Besides all the obvious things that you would expect from a player like a local music playback, getting all your folders for content you have on the phone, background music, play, and modern UI, guys. A beautiful and responsive UI built with Jetpack Compose and Material Tree Expressive, supporting dynamic color and dark light themes. Then apparently music library, widget control, tag editor, and also AI-powered features. So I'm going to leave the link down below so you can just go and download. This is a very, very sweet application I want to share today with you. And I'm going to start first with the main interface. So this is right now, okay, here apparently I have a song from Metallica. And guys, now I'm using the standard day mode. The moment I go and I initiate the dark mode, you're going to see how the interface is gonna change, and that's simply beautiful. And it doesn't really happen only here. Okay, I'm just gonna go back and show. For example, this is now something from Daft Punk. The moment I start playing the song, it's going to adapt the colors from the cover, the album art cover, and now this has been the dark mode. Boom, this is the light mode. So you can see really how beautiful this thing is. But besides this, of course, let me give you a quick tour. This is the main menu. When you click on home, know your mix, you can start directly like a mix with things that you have on your phone. Then guys, here we have the settings button from where you can choose the directories to be included. You can also refresh your library, and you can decide the player theme like system dynamic or album art, and then you have something called the navbar corner radius. Now pay attention when I go back to the main menu, pay attention how this thing looks like, right? When I click here, I have the option to modify this so that it's going to match my device corners, okay? And now when I go back to the main menu, you're going to see right now this looks a bit different. So it's really very versatile. And I would say also very intuitive. In the settings, you do have the AI integration, which is still at the beta, and you need to generate a Gemini API key for you. Why would you need this? Well, you go inside the library and you click on playlist. You're going to be able to use AI to generate libraries. Like right now, for example, if I just put random, I'm going to press the play button, it's gonna just use apparently it's Gemini to create like a random playlist, and you can see it's adding some songs here, songs again that are based really on what you have. So I would say it's pretty nice the way this thing look, and I'm gonna give you a bit more of the action and probably a bit more of what I do believe makes this thing really a very, very cool player. All right, so you see the moment I have switched in, okay, I have this now very nice green color. Okay, and now the main star here is apparently the fact that it does support Material Tree. So if I go on Wallpaper and Style, all right, I can click here on the colors, and now I'm gonna choose something completely different. So I'm gonna hit apply, all right, and I'm gonna go back, boom, immediately changes the whole layout. This is simply beautiful, and remember, it does support the standard day and also night mode. So when I go in a night mode, it's gonna put a bit more emphasis on the colors, like darken the colors. And this is really beautiful because it really shows the true power of the expressive tree. And I can show you, of course, some other examples. Let's just go for something like other color. So let's just choose a random color. Okay, let's choose this one. Let's choose the green one. I'm gonna hit apply. Right now, all my interface is gonna change, and when I go inside, boom, we have a very nice deep green color, and this is the light mode. Boom, this is now the night mode. You can see this thing changes as well. Also, what I do like, it has the standard like sperm player indication. All right, and also it does support widgets, and the widgets are also, I do believe, materially themed. So let me just go here and choose another color, guys. I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna choose a darker color. I'm gonna hit apply, and now everything works correct. Boom, you can see it changes all the colors. It is so beautiful, and again, it changes also the widgets. So really, really great respect to this guy for putting this application. Again, I'm gonna leave down below the link on GitHub where you can download it. And it's pretty powerful. The way really expressive tree material design is supposed to work, and I only hope that Google are going to implement more and more from these things, because not only does it look cool, But you have also the options to just configure it the way you want. If you don't like a color, you just go inside the wallpapers and style, and then you choose the color that you want. And you can of course go and just pick like a random color, like, okay, let's just pick that one. Go back inside the player, boom, beautifully themed. Again, day mode. Let's now check the night mode. All right, night mode, you can see everything goes darker. Also this thing included, right? And it gives really a uniform design. Also with the new thing from the QPR2 beta 1, which is to theme the icons. If I now go and choose the minimal theming, all my icons are going to be themed, right? You see also the PixelPlay icon, and everything is going to have really the hue or the color that I've selected. So very, very powerful, a very good example on how nice Material Tree can be. And it's really good that developers have started already to create things like this. Again, I'm going to leave a link down below to GitHub. Just go download it, and great respect for the developer of creating this up. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.